Hello friends, welcome back to Code. Tonight in today's video we will see how to integrate PayUmoney payment gateway in ASP.NET MVC. So we have with us a ASP.NET MVC application and we have implemented PayUmoney payment gateway. So I will just let you know the steps that you will have to do for that. Okay. So the first thing that you will need is a merchant key and merchant salt. You can register on PayUmoney and you will get your credentials from there. So once you get these credentials, you can actually start making payments with your test credentials, and later when they approve your account, then you will be able to use the production URL. Okay. So now we will see different parameters. So we have merchant key, merchant sold. Now the transaction order ID can be anything. You can keep any random number or random string, anything you can keep here. You can put the amount, any amount you can put here. So I will place one. Product info, you can keep any string that you want. In the first name you can enter your first name. Okay, you can pass any Gmail ID that you want, and you can pass any phone number if you want. Now the important part is the hash value. This hash value is getting calculated whenever I am changing any value. So you have to put that step at the first place. Like whenever you change any value, then you have to create hash again. Now we will see how to generate hash, but before that we will just run the payment first, and then you will see that if it is working correct or not. Okay. Now one of the most important thing that you have to remember, which is not mentioned anywhere, is you have to keep service provider pay you pesa. Now this is a important thing, and we will also see that in the code. Okay. So here I will show you where I have kept that. And okay, so this is the field that I am talking about. You have to keep service provider and pay you pesa here. Okay, so without this parameter your transactions are not gonna work, so that is really important. Now I have filled all the information and I will just click on pay here. So basically this is a production URL that I am showing you. So the payments will be the real payments. Okay, and I will just open up the merchant dashboard also, so you can see what it is working. Okay, so the last payment is 3 for 15 1 October. So I will change some parameters like to you to know that it is the correct payment. Okay, so I will go back again and I will put this text one. Okay, just for your confirmation that it is working correct. I will click on pay again here, and then it will go again to the payment screen. And as I said that this is a production URL, so the payments will be real ones. So I will just hide the screen for some moments. Okay, so once you will have your payment, you can use any method, but once you will use your method, then you will be generated with a request on your mobile or however you have selected. Okay, so once you will confirm the payment, then you will see that it will redirect on the success URL. Okay, so I have just completed the payment from my end, and you will see the effect here. So you can see payment is success now, and the done is here, and the counter is running. Now after the counter complete, it will get to payment success method. Now we have passed this payment success in the success URL actually. Okay, so I will tell you about all those parameters in detail. Okay, so first we will see what the parameters we are getting. Okay, so you can see in the form we will get all the details related to the payment that you have done. Okay, so you can use any of the details, and I have for sample used few of those. Okay, so I will just continue. So you can see here that the parameters that I have used are here, and you can see the status is success, and this is the TXN ID that we have entered, and this is the amount. So this is the payment completed details that we have got. Now if we go to our PayUmoney dashboard, we will just refresh this, and here you will see the payment text one at the rate of gmail.com and settlement in progress. So basically the payment has been completed. Okay, so this is how payment actually works. Now talking about the code part, we will see. So I have one index method that is for the form that we have just seen in the beginning. In the form, the most important part is the URL mentioned here. So if you are using test credentials, then you have to use payu, not payu, actually test.payu.in here. And if you are using production URL, production credentials, then you have to use secure.payu.in. Okay, now we have to place the sbox checkout script on the top, and then the parameters that you can see in the code part. Okay, now we have written this code for generating the hash whenever you change any field. So it is hitting a Ajax call in the controller, and here in the controller we are actually generating the hash. Okay, so this hash is getting generated by this, and you have to make sure you are getting all these values correctly. Okay, so once generated this hash, it will return back to the Ajax success, and we will fill the URL in the hash text box. Okay, so that is how it is working. Now the other important part is the SURL and FURL. You can see here that SURL must be the success URL, and the FURL will be the failure URL. Okay, so these two are the important part in this, and once you do all those correctly, then you will be able to make payments securely and completely. Okay, now about how you will get the code is, you can get the code from our official website codemanage.com. I will also mention the link. Here you will find a blog PayUmoney integration with ASP.MVC, and you can open up that blog. So here we have written all the code that we have just showed you, so you can get your code from here. You can also download the attachment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel if the integration works for you. So thanks for watching guys, and let us know if you face any kind of issues. So thanks for watching.